please let me say whatever it is that needs to be said to whoever needs to hear it. What's up, guys, and welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums and tell you our favorite tracks off of those albums. My name is Jen.
My name is Kelly.
And we are going to talk about Thank You Next, Thank You Next by Ariana Grande. I'm excited.
Jen's excited. This was Jen's pick.
This was my pick because I love her. I really do.
I never knew that you loved her. I find out so much about you when we film these.
Well, because we talk.
Oh, that's true. We don't usually talk. Actually, we did talk once about how we both kind of became intrigued by her in the last year or so.
Yeah.
But
it was, I'll tell you the moment. It was when she did the thing on the Tonight Show with the impersonations. Like the Celine Dion.
Yeah.
Like that's when I was like, you can sing and you're hilarious.
Yeah.
And that's when I went down the YouTube rabbit hole of Ariana Grande and how funny she is. Because that's really...
She is.
I mean, and she can sing. Like, she can sing.
Yeah.
She can sing. Yeah. And she's funny. Then that's what happens.
She does those, I mean, she does Whitney Houston, she does Celine Dion. She did one of like a Judy Garland type character on SNL. Yeah. She should be on SNL.
So that's when I started like paying more attention to her because I was very entertained by her. Yeah. So we decided to do this album. I said this was my pick.
This was Jen's pick.
I didn't know what to expect. And I found greatness in it. There's 3 songs that I've been going back and forth between. 3.
Do you want to just dive right in?
Dive right in. Do you want to know? Mine is Bad Idea.
Oh.
The guitar comes in. Go ahead. What?
Okay.
So right away, of course, there's a guitar intro. I'm like, hello.
About it.
Mm-hmm.
You like guitars.
So I like,
little known fact.
A little known fact, I like guitars. At first, I didn't know what to think about how she said idea, you know, because it was like, I got a bad idea.
Oh,
and then that grew on me. I just like the content of it. Like, I'm gonna do something bad.
Yeah.
I don't really care.
Yeah, I definitely thought of you when I heard this one.
I have bad ideas all the time. I'm trying not to act on them. Yeah. I'm trying to just have them be ideas and not actions.
But that's the great thing about this record is she is all over the place and she is unapologetic about it. It's very relatable.
I like
someone like me.
I like it when people talk about being a train wreck.
Yeah, I agree.
I appreciate it. And that's Taylor Swift did that too. When Taylor Swift first started doing that, was it Leg Space?
Oh yeah.
That the first time where she went like crazy in a video, I was just like, I like that a lot. So yeah, I love it. I love the arrangement. The last chorus, when she comes in with that high harmony at the very end. Yeah. And it's the only time it happens, because my big thing with pop music is that it's copy and paste, right? Yeah. You hear one chorus and it's the same chorus with the same harmonies, with the same inflections, because all they do is copy, paste, paste, paste. Yeah. And it's not interesting at all to listen to. So when she comes up at the end with that super high, bad idea. You like that? Yeah, call me, Ari. This is the only time it happens, and it's hot because I want it to happen 16 more times, and it doesn't. Yeah. Because if it did, then I'd be tired of it.
Yeah.
I love the song, and I just always want to do this, and then go, bad idea.
That's how you should answer the phone when girls call you. All right.
So now that I have told you, the magic of bad idea, I'm so excited to hear what yours is.
So, mine is a weird choice for me, because I usually pick the more like up-tempo, you know, poppy, but I picked Ghosting. Which I thought you were gonna pick.
That is on my list of honorable mentions. That was one of the 3. Ghosting, I am shocked.
Oh, it's so good.
Tell me.
It's just good. It's minimal. There's not a lot going on. It makes me feel like it feels like that moment in a relationship when you know it's over, but you're gonna keep trying for another like 6 months past it. That's it. Like, very rarely does a song actually make me feel like I am in a position that I'm not in, but it absolutely was like, oh, when that part when she sings like, we can get through this, or we can, you know, she keeps repeating that, and it's like you're telling yourself that, but you know it's not true, you know, it's done, you know.
The fact that she keeps getting up in the morning. I can barely function if I don't get like 10 hours of sleep.
That's me right now.
Yeah. And she's had all this stuff happen to her, and she's putting out amazing music, amazing songs, and being vulnerable about it. Like,
he told me some days when I'm having a rough day, I have to call my friend to go to the store with me.
Yeah, that's true. So as always, let us know if there's albums that you want us to check out. I think it'd be really fun to do stuff that neither one of us have heard.
Yes. Give us ideas.
Give us ideas.
We want to hear what your suggestions are. Just give us suggestions. We don't like to think for ourselves. So please tell us what to do. Please also give suggestions on how to live our lives, what to do,
what not to do,
where to go, how to spend your money, how to not spend all of your money. Tell us what to do.
Yeah, please. We need help.
We're filming ourselves talking for hours at a time. We don't know.
Yeah. We could be going for walks and stuff. We're not.
I went for a hike though.
Okay.
And we're editing this video. Jen's editing. I'm sitting there talking shit. I had taken some melatonin, so I was like, hallucinating.
We'll get the scoop for you guys, because we're in the know.
We are.
In LA.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we know everybody.
We know, like, everybody.
Yeah.
What makes me happy? We've talked about this, though. Doing this.
This does
make us happy. This show, I've been going through a lot. Everybody knows this. Been going through a lot. Struggling a lot with depression and lots of other things happening. And it was actually starting to do this show with you that gave me a reason to get out of bed, because I was so excited to see the footage and to talk about the albums and to edit everything, and this makes me happy every single time I sit down to edit these. It's true.